Get ready to elevate your living experience at Toy Box in Birmingham. Imagine stepping into your dream apartment, sleek, stylish, and filled with all the modern amenities you could ever desire. Whether you're hitting the books in communal study spaces or kicking back with friends in vibrant game rooms, Toy Box is your ultimate oasis of comfort and fun. But hold on to your hats, because the excitement doesn't stop there. With a dedicated 24-hour on-site team ensuring your safety and convenience, you can rest easy knowing you're in good hands. Plus, with high-speed internet and social events that will knock your socks off, making new friends has never been easier. And the cherry on top, Toy Box has conveniently located just a short stroll from Mander, Portman, Woodward, and Brasshouse languages. Say goodbye to stressful commutes and hello to more time for fun. Plus, bid farewell to daily hassles with Tesco Express and Sainsbury's Local just a stone's throw away, making grocery runs quick and convenient. On weekends, visit the Birmingham Museum and Art Gallery and embrace the art connoisseur inside you. Also, saving time and money has never been easier, with various commute options near your home away from home. So don't settle for the ordinary, choose extraordinary. Head over to amberstudent.com and book your stay at Toybox Birmingham today.